So this is another video on the using your name all willy-nilly on your documents. Now, I have a client, and I kid you not, sent me a birth certificate with two different names. The father's name, and then the mother is married to the father, so the last name is the same for mother and father. But the spelling of the child's last name is different. But here is the situation. The spelling of the father's name should be the correct name because he would have known his correct name. But for some reason, they all believe that the name on the birth certificate is wrong. And so the mother wrote what she believes to be the correct spelling of the father's name beside the child's name and spelled it different from how her last name, her married last name to the father, and the father's last name is spelled. So now the child has a different name from his parents. But not only that, the child has proceeded to use 2 or 3 different spellings of his name because his driver's license has a different spelling, his American document has a different spelling, and the way he spells it is also different. That's 5 spellings for the same last name. You cannot do that. Anyway, this is a word to the wise. I am Gail of 876 Documents. Thanks for watching.